In this video, traders, I want to give you a quick 5-6 minute guide on how to start day trading if you are in the UK. Stick around. Hey guys, warm welcome to you. Right, so UK based, you want to start day trading. Here's some pointers that I've got for you. Now, unlike the US, the rules are different. So in the US, if you are a day trader, you have to have $25,000 in your account all the time, and plus kind of a little bit of a cushion as well, because that's what the government says that you need in your account to be able to qualify as a day trader, and you've got a day trader patent day trader rule and that other stuff. That goes out the window unless you are trading US stocks directly on their exchanges, i.e. NYSE, NASDAQ, etc. If you are, then that applies to you, but if you're not, and you're trading via a CFD, a spread bet, or maybe you're trading UK shares, you might not want to trade UK shares directly as a day trader in the UK because you're paying stamp duty, but active traders trade, generally speaking, via, if you're in the UK, spread betting account or CFD accounts. Links to those in the description below if you want to check those out. Spread betting account, CFD accounts. Some guys trade futures, but again, let's keep it simple. Spread bet, CFD, UK based are brokers offering you access to the US markets without the day trader rule. So you can trade stocks, you can trade indices like the Dow, the NASDAQ, you can trade, which by the way, they aren't subject to patent day trader rules. There's only stocks in the US, but that's by the by. The point is, in the UK, you can get started very, very simply. You can be a day trader very, very simply. So, first of all, day trading, let's just define that. Buying and selling intraday, being flat at the end of the day so you can sleep nice and soundly at night without worrying what your positions are doing. You trade in the day, you close your positions, you're done. Whatever you've made a loss in the day, that's the way it is. End of the day, screens go off, come the next day, same thing again and again and again and again. That's the benefit of being a day trader. Did a video where I talked about that before. Okay, so how to start day trading in the UK. First of all, before you do anything, just take, I know it's exciting, I want to get day trading, I want to do open account, do this, do that. Just formulate a little bit of a plan. And you don't know what you're doing, I get it, I understand it. Just formulate a little bit of a plan and say, okay, I'm going to risk this amount eventually. You're not going to risk it yet, I'm going to talk about when you get to that point. But just understand that this is a dangerous game. Right, there are people who've come in and go, yeah, you know what, I was very successful in this and that and the other, going to come and put all my money in and it's just gone. So just be very, very aware. Super high risk, super careful how you trading this. Just go with your eyes open, understand the risks, all this type of stuff, understand the product you're trading. Come up with a bit of a plan and say, hey, I am going to trade this market. Now I know you've got really no idea at the moment. Just starting out, like I don't know what to do, which is fine, but just have some type of plan. Sit down, a few minutes, say, hey, I'm going to risk this amount of money before I don't trade anymore. I'm prepared to risk this, I'm happy to risk this. I want to kind of trade the FTSE, I want to trade the NASDAQ, I want to do this. It's okay being a bit broad at the beginning, but just have some kind of plan, especially when it comes to how much you're prepared to risk. That's the key part. Too many people are coming in and saying, I don't think about how much I'm going to risk. They lose some money, they deposit some more, lose some money, deposit some more, and before you know it, they've lost more than they wanted to. You know, if you expect to lose, that's a good way of going in. And if you don't, then that's a bonus, because it's tricky at the beginning, it's super tricky. All right, take time to formulate a plan. Must do that. Then open a demo account. Say link in the description below if you want to check out our channel sponsor, but that's a good way of just getting started, understanding how the whole thing works. You open a demo account, you're going to get price feeds. You're going to see all the different markets that are available. It's going to be a massive blur. So you're going to go, I don't know what's going on. How do I? That's fine. You're in a demo environment. You've got virtual funds. They give you 10 grand, 100 grand, or whatever it is in paper money. It's not real money. You can play around with the account. You can bring up the charts. You can see charts. You can see all this stuff, see the instruments, place a few trades, see how it works, place a long, place a short, and just spend some time getting familiar with the markets, when they open, when they close, how much they move, what the risk is, all that type of stuff, just so you know that if you do decide to get going with real money, you know where you are, you're not going to get caught out by some crazy move that wipes out your account. So open a demo account, practice on that demo. Number 3, just keep practicing. Just go, hey, I wanted to trade gold, I want to trade crude oil, I wanted to trade Tesla, and just do some, just put some orders in, put some tickets in, and make sure you trade with the kind of size that you expect to trade. Don't go swinging around like £1 million position if you're going to put in £5,000. Just relax and just kind of enjoy it, see how things move, see when they close. Like I say, when they close, when they open, get used to some of the stop orders, the limit orders, and just do it without fear of screwing up. Right? Demo doesn't matter. Do something wrong, doesn't matter. Reset the demo. Now decide, make the decision at this kind of key fork in the road here. Do I want to do this? Do I enjoy it? Do I think I've got some sort of potential here? Hard to tell at the beginning, but I think it's enjoyment, right? Do I enjoy it? Do I like kind of looking for trade ideas? Do I like the platform? Do I like this? And then you go back to your plan and go, okay, how much was I prepared to risk trading? And again, going to that thing of saying, being frank and saying, hey, if I lost that, would I be comfortable? Because you must absolutely be comfortable with that. And start off super small. Just put in a small amount of money, live account, small amount of money, and be prepared to lose it and understand the risks that come with it. And if it works, well, great. If it doesn't matter anyway, because it wasn't anything you were that bothered about losing. And so deposit a small amount of money and trade very, very small, very, very small. And then you realize what happens when you've got some skin in the game, very different from demo trading. You're day trading, you're doing this, doing that. You recognize some of the pressure that comes with some of those big extreme moves in the market, pressure that comes with some of the losses, all this type of stuff, and just kind of run with it for a bit. And then you can kind of at some point then go, yeah, I like this, I'm going to put some effort in and some work in and formulate a decent plan and a structure and look at some strategies and work out this and that and the other and go down all these rabbit holes that we do as traders and get books and courses and blah, blah. That's fine. Or you go, it's not for me, I'm not going to do it anymore. And that's fine as well. There's plenty of other things to do in this world. You want to be fulfilled and enjoy the thing you're doing, right? And the final thing is just whatever you do is to manage your risk. So really understand the concept of risk management. There's lots of stuff out there and great resources to see this, how to use stops, how to kind of stop yourself from making errors that are kind of self-inflicted errors, if you like, that hurt your P&L, how to trade stuff that's a little bit calmer, how not to get caught out in kind of unexpected moves, what to look out for on the economic calendar that can move the market unexpectedly, all this type of stuff. If you focus on the risk, so you formulate your plan, you open your demo account, and you say, right, my main focus is my risk, and all the other stuff will take care of itself, that's a very good way to I guess attack this amazing business. Take care, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.